RC for life, gas finger, baby. Yeah, baby. Got the VXL Rustler, yes, with the upgraded transmission. Yep, they discontinued these. I was able to get one a few months ago, the last one. Oh yeah. Got the VXL system in it, brand new, 3500 came with. All right, I added the fan, bought that, got that yesterday, the VXL fan. Got 3 1-ounce weights. I got the Hot Racing 12 to 17 millimeter hubs. I just got these TO3 Revo GRPs yesterday as well. Just got them. What else? Added the drag bar on the back, wheelie bar. Let's see what else. Ain't did too much. Oh yeah, and a plate under it. Got the plate under it right here. Yeah, try to keep it as stock as possible. Oh yeah. Now I already hit 80, and that was with I forgot the name of them Traxxas tires, the road tires. I hit 80 or 81 with it, but every time I had got up to like 70 miles an hour, the wheels would blow, so the tires would blow, and I had to re-glue them. They would come out, the glue would come out. But these might be a little too big. I might have to, let me see something. Yeah, they're a little too much, yeah. So yeah, here we go, ready to run. Let me see, I might cut these down. Let me see something. Yeah, I'm gonna cut these down. Oh man, my knife, I forgot. Lost my knife somewhere. Let me see, I don't want them hitting the wheels. Alright, definitely don't want them hitting the wheels. Let me see something. I'll put them through here. Let me see something, put this through here a little bit. Maybe it's, yeah. Do some finagling with the zip ties. Yeah. Come on, little Mr. Zip Tie. All right, there we go. Just needed it out the way enough, because I don't want them tires hitting it and it causing it to lose traction. Didn't realize that. All right. All right, so we got the GPS in. All right, red. So that Bandit with a teeth up, got that to 65 today. All right, so now we're going to do this Rustler. So I got 81 on 75% with the Typhon, 65 with the Bandit. All right, so now we ready to do this Rustler. With last round, we got 80 miles, and I blew the tires off the rims. Them, what are they called? I forgot them Traxxas road tires. All right, so we're gonna see how these GPRs handle with the 17 millimeter hubs. Let's see. All right, here we go. Let's get it. Yes, sir. That's that. All right, that's this remote. RC for life, baby. Gas finger. Oh yeah, them GRPs look pretty dope. We'll warm this battery up a little bit. I don't like the way it's going. All right, there you go. Kind of like keep going to the left. This will feel a little weird, I guess. Just keep going to the left. What's up with that? What is up with that? Try and get the traction and stirring the line because it has the hubs and tires on it, the new hub tires. So see, a car look like it may have turned. What is? Let me turn this multi-function down and see how that do. Oh wow, it's the is it the multi-function? Let me cut it up. See how it does. Let's see. Alright. Okay, there you go. I had to cut them all my years. I ain't ever had to cut the multi-function up. It's my first time having to cut it up like this. Not even on my XO1. I had to cut this all the way up to almost 100. Look. This is crazy, guys. Alright. So now, we're gonna go up and bring it down. Maybe because of the hubs and the wheels, the new wheels and the hubs. But I did the other ones as well. I ain't ever had to cut it up to 100%. Let's see what we can get today with this new setup. Three, two, one. Woo! Woo! Oh yeah, and that's what I'm talking about. That joker was moving. Started wiggling a little bit, started. Woo! Oh yes, yeah, that's what I'm talking about there. Yes, sir. Whoa, whoa, it started hitting the wheelies. Oh man, why is it shaking like that? I might have to change the stern, this receiver out, then this remote. Can't have it shaking like that. The wheelies are cool. Here, car. In this game, you got to listen for cars. Before you see them, you want to hear it. Before you see them. Seeing is even better, but you got to have some good ears. All your hard work be crushed. All right, so I turned it down just a little bit. See if we can